Hello everyone. Welcome to the next section of the course, working with data in OpenCV and Python. In this section, we will discuss ways to tackle with the machine learning problems. Then we will deal with data using various Python packages such as OpenCV, NumPy, and OpenCV's train data container in C++. Post that, we will learn to load external datasets in Python and visualize data using matplotlib. Now we move on to the first video of this section, that is, dealing with data using OpenCV and Python. In this video, we will get an overview to tackle with machine learning problems. Also, we will discuss ways to deal with data using OpenCV and Python. Machine learning is all about building mathematical models in order to understand data. The learning aspect enters this process when we give a machine learning model the capability to adjust its internal parameters. We can tweak these parameters so that the model explains the data better. This is typical workflow to tackle machine learning problems. For the detailed understanding about the process to tackle machine learning problems, you can refer to the PDF attached with the code bundle. By using OpenCV's Python API, we automatically get access to a large number of open source packages from the Scientific Python or SciPy community. So, open a terminal like we did in the previous section and navigate to the OpenCV machine learning directory. Then activate the Conda environment which we created in the previous section. To start a new IPython or Jupyter session, enter and execute IPython command. As we choose to start an IPython session, the program will greet you with a welcome message like this. A limited number of system shell commands work, such as ls and pwd. You can run any shell command by prefixing it with an exclamation mark. For more information, check out the official IPython reference at this web link. Now we will exit from the IPython shell. To start a Jupyter session, type this command in the command prompt and execute it. A new window will open in your web browser that is pointing to the local host 8888. If we wish to create a new notebook, we can do it by clicking on New in the top right corner and selecting Notebooks Python 3 from the drop-down. This will open a new window that looks like this. The cell labelled with In is the same as the command line in an IPython session. Now you can start typing your Python code. In this video, we learned to tackle with machine learning problems. Then we demonstrated the steps to start a new session in IPython or Jupyter.